Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Matthew Salmi. This is Idea Ride Garage, and I designed this crazy air intake box for Project 64 Falcon. As you may have already seen, I'm running the 3 1-barrel carbs on the 176 cylinder. Most people are running 3 individual little round air filters, which look like this. I really don't like the look. So I designed a full custom air filter box that we're going to machine out of billet aluminum. So the next step is to finalize the design. Most likely I'll have to modify or make a new Monte Carlo bar, or I'm sorry, export brace for this. It will most likely hit this corner here. I do plan on putting the velocity stacks through the hood. That should give me the appropriate vintage race car look I'm going for. I'm going to do a plexiglass bubble on the hood. Think of like a vintage Ferrari. So I've designed the air box so it will attach to the stock air filter mount that's on top of these carburetors. It seemed to be the simplest way for me to attach it. I have not decided how I'm going to attach the top half to the bottom half. I don't really want to see the hardware, so I have to figure that out still. And I'm going to 3D print a prototype, actually out of ASA. One advantage to using ASA is that I could actually run it on the car. It should hold up to the temperatures under the hood, and it has the strength to do that. Because if I'm really lucky, I'll be driving this car around this summer while I work on it. So that'll let me have a functional airbox, velocity stacks out the hood for summer cruising. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I will be updating this project very soon.